Hello everyone, my name is Latilla. Welcome to our 52-week program for Grammar School Admission Test, Year 7 Admission Test or SATs. Today, we will discuss the basic understanding of numbers. Numbers are a mean of quantifying, measuring, counting, or recording. Numbers are made of digits. For example, 999 is a 3-digit number. We have whole numbers, decimal numbers, fractions and mixed numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, positive and negative numbers, and Roman numerals. Whole numbers. Any positive number that does not include any decimal part or a fraction part, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Decimal numbers. A decimal number contains the whole number and parts of a whole number. A decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. For example, 1.2, 3.95, 100.25, and so on. Fractions or mixed numbers. Fractions, mixed number. A fraction is a part of a number. A mixed number contains a whole number and a part of a whole number, but is expressed differently from a decimal number. It consists of a whole number followed by a top number, numerator, and a bottom number, denominator, separated by a line. For example, 1.5, 5 3/4, 10 3/4, and so on. Odd numbers. Odd numbers cannot be evenly divided by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Even numbers. Even numbers can be divided by 2 without any remainder. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and so on. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that are greater than 1 and not divisible by any numbers except the number itself and 1. For example, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. Composite numbers. A composite numbers can be divided by 2 other small numbers, divisors, including 1 and the number itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Positive numbers. Positive numbers are greater than 0. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Negative numbers. Negative numbers are less than 0. For example, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Roman numerals I, IV, V, and so on. That's all for this week from 11 Plus Maths Genius. Next week, we will learn about place value. Please subscribe and join us, and don't miss anything. We will use this book, 11 Plus Maths Genius, for 52 lectures. It provides a summarized description of all the learning topics, along with plenty of examples and practice questions. It also includes 2 full mock exams for Stage 1 and 1 mock exams for Stage 2, along with answer sheets and answers. It will give you a flavor of real exam situations. These 3 mock exams are worth more than £50. We recommend purchasing this book as soon as possible, as it is well worth buying. Links to buy these books are given in the description box. Please click on the link and collect your one.
Start practicing now for the 2026 Grammar School test. Get accepted into grammar school on your first attempt, because there is no second attempt. Take action now. Subscribe to 11 Plus Maths Genius today and stay ahead of the competition.